Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Hector with Meistergram, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the cap driver on your Meistergram GEM 1500TC. We'll begin by removing the cap driver. We'll need a 3mm hex wrench in order to loosen the two screws on top that attach the cap driver to the machine. We'll locate the screw and simply insert the wrench and loosen. Once you have loosened the screw with the wrench, you can loosen it a bit more by using your hand. You won't need to remove the screw in order to remove the cap driver. And now repeat the process for the second screw. Once you've loosened the two screws attaching the cap driver, simply take the driver and slide it forward and away from the machine. To install the cap driver, we'll first need to make sure that the pantograph arm is at a certain position in order for the cap driver to reach the mounting points. A good reference point is for the pantograph arm to be centered between the third and fourth screw tabs on the top rail. There's two ways of moving the pantograph arm. You can move it automatically with the machine by going to the fourth operation key and using the up or down arrows to make the movement. You could also safely turn the machine off and manually roll the pantograph arm front or back. Now that the pantograph is in the right position, we'll need to set up and center our cap driver in order for it to align with the machine. We'll start with locating the front tabs. We will then roll the cylinder until we see the center tab line up in between the two front tabs. And we'll complete it with turning the bar over and lining up that center tab to the center screw. We now have a centered cap driver and we see the relations between the 3 points. Now that your cap driver is centered, we'll go ahead and insert it into the machine. Locate the mounting point and slide the driver until the screws are in the slots. Next, hand tighten the screw until it gets to the point where you'll need the wrench to complete locking it down. Now it's time to tighten the screws. Take your 3mm wrench and make sure that both screws are tight. If you were previously working on flats, make sure to change the needle plate over to the cap plate, which has a higher raise around the needle hole. You could do this by using the included needle plate tool. That concludes the video on how to remove and reinstall your cap driver. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit like and the button below. See ya!